Hey, what's up everyone? This is the Wyze Thermostat installation video from the unboxing video that I promised you. I'm just getting the tools ready and I'm only going to be using the tools that were provided from Wyze themselves from the thermostat. So let's get to it. So here's the app, here's me adding the thermostat, and you're going to want to do this at the very beginning because it pretty much walks you through the entire installation. It's pretty easy to understand. This is just me going through the entire installation from start to finish, turning off the AC units, taking a look at the wiring of my thermostat, my old thermostat, and taking note of the wires and labeling them myself. And now this is me going into the attic and installing their adapter. And I have never gone into the attic to deal with anything with the AC or the heater. So take that however you will. Coming from a straight beginner on anything HVAC or anything like that, yeah, it could be a little bit intimidating going through this entire thing. But if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Here's me hooking up the unit, and then because it's a magnetic puck, and magnetically just sitting there. Here's my old AC thermostat bracket, me removing it. One thing I noticed about the Wyze thermostat is that it's actually, the bracket itself is vertical versus my old thermostat bracket is horizontal, which is just going to leave the drywall anchor sticking out. Nothing a little spackle and paint can't fix. And this is it booting for the first time and then grabbing its firmware upgrade. And this is the application. Once functional, you can just move it from your phone. And because I use everything Wyze, it's all in one single application, which is the reason why I wanted to go with Wyze. Not only that, but they're super affordable. So that's the installation video. My only thoughts on this whole thing is that, again, it could seem a little intimidating going through this installation only because you do have to do things that you're probably not familiar with. But if you are, it's just that much easier. But Wyze does a really good job of explaining how to install things to the point where you're not so intimidating because it's showing you familiar things that you're just going to encounter the entire way. So with that being said, the installation was pretty easy. Now, once you get it up and running, I do have my thoughts, and I'm going to save that for a separate video because my wife and I have been going back and forth trying to really understand how this thing works. There has been a couple of gripes here and there, but again, I'm going to save it for another video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please like if you liked this video, unlike if you didn't. Let me know how I can do better on reviews. This is some of our first reviews, and because I'm a tech dad and a big gadget freak, I'm going to be doing a lot of the tech reviews myself. But yeah, check us out at nerdjunkies.com, and I hope you like this video. See you later.